Hi guys. Well, it's Saturday. Frickin' raining out. I'm supposed to be laying tile in the hallway by the bathroom downstairs, but I gotta cut concrete board and it's raining outside. I'm not doing that in the house. Supposed to be taking all that stuff out the storage, but it's raining out, so. And the floor is all wet again. Trying to keep everything up. The little heater works pretty good. I like that thing. Used a little bit of diesel, but it ain't bad. Heck of a lot better than the frickin' propane thing I used to have. Anyways, I'm still working on trying to get the wire harness out. I kind of had a lazy night last night. Didn't really do anything, so. But anyways, I asked Andy, and he has a YouTube channel, VW Coco. So BWCOCO, and he rebuilds Volkswagens. So if you want to watch any Volkswagen videos, that's a good one to go to. And apparently, that's not supposed to have wrinkles in there. Which means, this is not supposed to be like that. That's not supposed to be like that. And these wrinkles. So this whole front end's been smashed in. So. And the front end is all bashed up. That front apron with shipping is about 200 bucks. So I believe that's the best way to go. I'll get a new apron coming, and when I get this all unspot welded and out, then I should be able to straighten that all back out. There's no wrinkles in the sides, so it looks like it was a center hit. So it should be fine. I still gotta find a new spare tire pan that I can weld in, or make one. And that strut tower has some rust on her. And I can get that whole thing, but I'll dig around at that seam, and if it's just right there, if I can clean that all up, I'll just make a patch panel for that. And I got to figure out if they have patch panels for the death rod, inside and out. She's toast. I'm digging out the foam, trying to get the wire harness out on that side, and the inside's caving in. So, and this side is no better. So yeah. Otherwise, not much of an update. Trying to get all the wiring out. I need to make that front support, but I really don't want to be running my saw standing in water. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get something done today. I really want to. I should ask Andy what this tag says, because that's not the VIN number. That's got to be like a body tag. Maybe he can tell me if he sees the video what that means, or I'll do some research. So yeah. Anyways, that's what I got today. So far.